Hello. Following Storm Doris on Thursday, I'm afraid the weather stays unsettled this weekend. Further bouts of wind and rain, but the wind will bring in mild air, at least at first, from the Atlantic. That wind freshening up through Friday evening, bringing in outbreaks of persistent and heavy rain, particularly across northern and western parts of Britain. The far south staying largely dry, but a lot of cloud across the map, and that freshening breeze will mean that temperatures generally staying frost-free. A mild start to Saturday. We're in between weather fronts, a warm front and a cold front, and it's this slice of Atlantic air that's called a warm sector. It's a slice of Atlantic air that's mild and full of moisture, and as the winds strengthen through Saturday, we're going to deposit a lot of that moisture over western hills in particular, so it's going to turn increasingly wet over the hills of western Scotland, western England and West Wales in particular. 30 to 50 millimetres over western hills, but for parts of Cumbria we could see 100 millimetres or more. A risk of localised flooding here during Saturday, and a strong wind blowing across much of the UK, gusty to the northeast of England and across the far northwest of Scotland as well. But it's a mild wind. You can see how it's double figures right across the map. Now through Saturday evening, more wind and rain coming along, but the worst of the rain tends to ease away from the north, sink its way southwards. A few breaks in the cloud developing then in the wake of that rain, perhaps a touch of frost in sheltered parts of Scotland. But as that weather front clears away on Sunday, the next front is hot on its heels. That's coming in for later on Sunday. So a brief respite between weather systems, but it turns more unsettled once again as we go through Sunday. So a cloudy, damp start for the southeast during Sunday. Brightening skies, drier weather for a time before further bouts of wind and rain arrive by Sunday evening. It eventually turns colder from the northwest as well, with some wintry showers, but for the majority, Sunday again is a mild day.